In this module, we'll learn about entering text and tables in our AutoCAD drawing, and I'll start with the single line text. So in order to make a single line text, you need to go to the Annotate tab, and from here you need to select the single line text from the text panel. So when you expand this flyout, you'll see this single line text option on the text panel. So you can start the single line text tool from this flyout, or you can also use its command equivalent, which is text. So I'll start it from here. And now you need to specify a start point for your text. So I'll click anywhere in the drawing area. That will be the starting point for my text. Now look at the command line, and it now prompts you to specify the height of text. In this case, the default height of text is 2.5 as shown in this angle bracket. So I'll accept this default value. So simply press enter. And now the command line will change to the rotation angle, and we need to specify the rotation angle in which we want to make the text, which I will obviously keep at 0. So I'll press enter and it will take the default value of 0. Now here we have this blinking cursor, and we can now enter our text. So for this case, I'll type AutoCAD 2018, and here we have this text. In order to exit this single line text command, press enter twice. And here we have it. So now the text is present here. In a similar way, you can add more lines of this single line text. So I'll once again select the single line. I'll click anywhere in the drawing area, but this time instead of selecting the default value, I'll click in the drawing area to specify the height. So you can click anywhere in the drawing area and that will be the height of your text. So let's click on this point. So the height will be approximately equal to 1.6 units. And we'll change rotation angle to 30 degrees and press enter. Now you can see that the text will be inclined to an angle of 30 degrees. So let's type the text. Okay, and here we have it. So you can press enter once to add more lines to this single line text, and once again press enter twice to exit this command. And here we have it. So these are all single line texts. Now if you want to modify any of these text entities, you can do that simply by double clicking. So I'll just erase both of these texts, and here I'll modify this text. So I'll double click on this, and now you'll see the same edit text window. Here select the text which you want to modify. In this case, I want to modify this CAD, and I'll change it to uppercase. And once you have modified the text, you can simply click outside to exit this, or obviously you can press enter key twice. All of these properties of single line text can also be modified with the properties palette. So select the text, then right click and select properties. So that will take you to the property palette, and using this property palette, you can obviously modify most of the properties related to this single line text. So here we have the general tab, the 3D visualization, and the most important text tab, which can be used to modify its properties. So currently we can see that the height of text is 2.5. Let's change this value, and I'll change it to 4 and press enter. And here we have it. The height of text is changed. Also, we have a width factor that will decide the width in which the text has been made. So I'll change this width factor to 0.5, and the complete text will be fitted in the half length value. And here it is. In a similar way, you can add an obliquing angle, and that will make this text look like italics. So I'll change it to 20 degrees. Here we have it, the oblique text. And in a similar way, you can change most of the other properties. So with these changes, I'll close this properties palette, and here we have this text. So this was all about creating single line text in AutoCAD.